Shalom, shalom, shanipo. We continue with the letter He. The first word is Hala. This means to be sick, twisted through pain. Lwala or ukulwala means to be ill, sick in Ichiremba. The next word is Halaf, which means pass over, to pass through, by or over something. Also, to change in the sense of going to another one, side or thought. Another form means change. Alapa means to have a change of heart in Ichiremba. The next word is Halas, which means to draw or arm, to pull out or toward, to draw weapons for battle. Alasa means to aim or pierce another in Ichiremba. Next word is Heile, which means a portion, an individual's part or share of something, the portion dispersed out. A similar word, Heoka, means parcel, a section or portion of land that has been purchased or acquired. Eka refers to an individual, while Keka refers to a thing or portion that is separated in Ichiremba. The next word is Hanan, which means show beauty, to give or show beauty. Anona or Anona means glowing or something that is pleasant in Ichiremba. The final word in this session is Khema, which means fury, intense, disordered, and often destructive rage. Kuma or Ukuma, which is similar to Khema, means a beating in Ichiremba. Shalom, shalom, shalom po.